All right, so Priority Chef sent us their stainless steel potato ricer. Comes with a lifetime warranty, so that is pretty awesome here. Checking out, whoops, the other side of it. It does have a durable stainless steel, soft non-slip handles, and then it's great for potatoes and baby food. Well, we have some potatoes cooking up here. Super excited. We're going to test this out so we can make some soup a little bit later and mashed potatoes. So here we go. We already got some. Let's go ahead and take a look at the unit itself. So you have a proper handle here so you can squeeze down on both sides without any issues. On the other side, it's a holding handle. And then obviously you have your masher section. So let's go ahead and get this cranked up so we can make it happen. We got a large potato and a little baby potato for this. We've been cooking these bad boys up. Let's go ahead and get these going. We got a large one. And we'll add the small one here in just a minute. Let's go ahead and see what this is going to work with. Okay, nice and easy in. Once you get them going, should be fairly simple. Now, I haven't had these cooking for real long, but we're going to see them come through. Oh, yeah, we're coming through just like that. There we go. Okay, so let me get a little closer so you can see. So just like that. You can already see it right there. Coming through. And depending on how you want to do your potatoes, we have some more cooking with them. So I'm trying to get these right when they are ready to go. And then they're going to be able to squeeze out just like that, cutting it off there. So let's go ahead and get in another one. Get a little baby potato in to help out. And you can see it crush up really well. Let's go ahead and drop that guy in there. Now, most of this, again, just keep in mind, is based on how your potatoes look. So mine, we're giving the thick ones here, just like that, and you're able to get it all taken care of. Look at that nice, perfect stuff. So we want to make some mashed potatoes out of it. Look at that right there, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we're going to go ahead and finish these up. This works extremely well. You just keep popping in the potatoes there, give yourself a good mash, and get it cleaned out, and you are good to go. Guys, at the end of the day, Priority Chef has set us up with something awesome. If you are looking for a proper product, this bad boy is going to get your potatoes mashed. Check it out.